Hello everybody! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. My name is Sonia and this is my YouTube channel where you can find many video tutorials how to crochet different crochet projects. But today I would like to show you something special, and it's a crocheted braided necklace or bracelet. It's super easy to make it, and I think this project is absolutely perfect for new crocheters or for kids. They can help you with the beads. I love these types of accessories, and especially if they are handmade. So guys, what you will need, any kind of beads. You can use really big ones, wooden beads, and different colors. You can use also the smaller glass beads. I love these shiny ones, or these ones, they are also super cute. And for my project I decided to use these striped beads. Of course you will need some scissors, sewing needle, and crochet hook, and the thread or yarn you like, or which corresponds with the beads you chose for your project. I will use this cotton yarn, a light blue color. I think it matches perfectly with the beads. What do you think? So I will clean the table. So guys, let's get started. I'm so excited. First of all, use your sewing needle and pull the thread through the eye. Use the needle which fits through your beads, so it's useful to have more needles to choose the right one and prepare the beads. For the necklace or bracelets, I usually use about 30 beads, and you can of course use more or less, depends on the length of your bracelet. Okay, I think this is a perfect task for your kids. They can help you with the beads to prepare them on the thread, and they can practice their fingers. So here we are. I have 10, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 31. Perfect. If you have different sizes of your beads, I would recommend you to put the bigger one at the end. If you have the same size as I have, just sew this bead several times like this. Okay, so fix these beads, so pull the yarn through the hole 1, 2, 3 times. This is it, but don't tight the thread too much, as you will insert the crochet hook in this space, okay, between threads and the bead, like this. This is it, and this is like a first loop, and then grab the yarn and pull yarn through this loop. Okay, so we have the first chain. And then you can chain 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, or more or less. You can sometimes have a space with 3 chains, 4 chains, or 5 chains between beads. Then grab the bead and pull it through the crochet hook, and then make a chain after the bead. And this is it. Then chain 4, pull the next bead and fix it with a chain. And this is it, my crochet friends. You can make more or less chains between beads. It depends if you want to have the necklace symmetrical or if you like it asymmetric. I like to change the space between the beads if the beads have different sizes, and if I have the same size of beads, I usually do the same space between them. And then you can try. Voila! Perfect for me. I'm satisfied. So I will fix the last bead and then I will show you how to make the closure. Okay. So this is my last bead. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then fix the bead, and now I will chain 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then 1 turning chain and insert the crochet hook in the second chain from the hook and make a slip stitch, and then make a slip stitch in each chain till you reach the end. Of course you can make any kind of chain you like, or you can make single crochet stitches in chains. It's fully up to you. I like this style with slip stitches, and I'm at the end. This is it. Perfect. And now we can cut the end and make a loop. So again you will need sewing needle, and then sew the end to the last bead. So we will create a loop, and we can easily use this loop for closing. Okay, let's try. Now it's very easy to pull the last bead through the loop, so I will make it a little bit tighter. Now try. Yes, now it's perfect. So hide the end, and we are almost done. I love this crafting. Then hide the end on the opposite side as well. Here we are. This is it. Now you can pull the bead through the loop and enjoy this beautiful necklace. Wow. This is it. So what do you think? I think it's cute accessory. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like it, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. You can make so many different necklaces. I love this one with wooden violet beads. So guys, once again, thank you very much for watching. Wish you happy crocheting and crafting, and bye for now.